Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all a very easy recipe for honey garlic and ginger wings, and I'm doing this in my air fryer today. But of course, if you don't own an air fryer, you can bake these or you can fry them regular. So to start, let's make our sauce. In my bowl I'm going to go in with honey. Use any flavor honey you like, but nothing that's too strong. In goes some sesame oil, some rice wine vinegar, some fresh chopped garlic, ginger, some scallions or scythe as we say in Trinidad, and give that a good mix. Once it mixed in properly, go ahead and set it aside. Now to the wings, we're going to season it very basic. So salt goes in, some Chinese seasoning, some annatto or upu powder. I like putting this because it gives the wings a really lovely color. All you have to do is go in and mix it in properly. You can allow it to marinate or not depending on how much time you have. These go into my Schmidt Sohn 6.5 quart pressure cooker. It not only doubles as a pressure cooker, an air fryer, it also is a steam cooker, an all-in-one multi cooker with a pressure and crisping lids. So you get two lids in this machine. This is the crisping lid, and then you'll get a pressure lid. It does have an LED touchscreen, 1500 watt pressure. It's an air fryer with 3-quart air fry basket. And it also is a rice cooker, and this comes with a recipe book and accessories. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up. To set up, it's really simple. You just follow your directions. I really love this, that it can pressure cook, it can cook rice, it can air fry, it can do everything you can think of in one machine, so you don't need different machines for different purposes. So once you set that, I'm going to set it for chicken at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's going to take about 19 to 22 minutes. Once it's finished, the machine will automatically turn off, and all you have to do is remove the lid, and you'll see how amazing the chicken looks. Perfect color, right? That's why I put that annatto powder in there. If you didn't have annatto, you can use some turmeric. Turmeric also gives your food a really nice natural color. So we're going to place our hot wings into a bowl, and do this when it's hot, guys. I'm using some Isabel's pimento pepper powder and scotch bonnet pepper powder. And I'm going to add in that scotch bonnet pepper powder first, but just a little bit because it is a very strong and very spicy. And then I'll go in with some of the pimento pepper powder. Add the mixed sauces that we made earlier and begin to toss. You want to do this while the wings are hot, so all of those flavors can awaken and it can be infused into the chicken. And once it's mixed in properly, you can taste it, adjust your salt in the sauces if you want, but now it's ready to be served. I hope you guys enjoyed this really easy recipe. If you're interested in this all-in-one cooker, rice cooker, air fryer, multi-cooker, pressure cooker, I would leave the link to purchase it down in the description box. So click that little down arrow, the box will open up and you'll find that link. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Look how easy this was to make, and it's packed with tons of flavor. I garnished with some chopped scallions and some sesame seeds. So I hope you guys try this recipe and comment down below and let me know. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye.